years old, and it's very cantankerous, and it won't load. All I get is the dreaded blue screen of death. I can't restart it. It won't repair. I've tried the command prompt. That doesn't work. I've tried the other stuff, every other thing you can find online to work. Got a little problem here. The shell is delaminating. The hinge is broke. So we decided that this computer doesn't really just need to live anymore.
Just
so
put out of
we're gonna
misery.
Put it out of its misery, exactly.
Yeah.
This calls for drastic actions. It's time to take care of this computer. You ready? Get behind me so you can see the computer. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. But look, it's still working.
Oh,
it's still a picture.
Working. Do it again, do it again.
You know what that calls for? Let's do the slug. Ready?
Oh, missed it. Did you miss it? Is it still working?
Still getting a little residual glow there. Still getting some glow.
Oh yeah, PC assassino.
Still getting some glow.
I can't believe it's still working. It's a good computer. Dell makes good computers. It just doesn't work. But it's a good target.
To the keyboard.
It's a good target.
One more time, right in the middle of the keyboard. Boom! Yeah, that did it.
Okay, you killed it.
One more. That's it. Oh wait,
Right.
I have 2 in my pocket. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, it's dead. RP. Special Forces dead.
And done.
Take it, Bill Gates.
Take that.